Hello, beautiful people. Isa here. Today I am sharing a delicious Gobi Masala recipe with you all. Cooking is all about I love to experiment, and here I am. If you are an Indian or Indian living abroad and missing homemade food, this one's for you. Indian cuisine is all about colors and flavors that you can see in the picture. And I bet nothing beats the taste of home cooked meals. Am I right, guys? Let's get started. First, take one gobi and cut it into medium sized pieces. I prefer slightly bigger pieces because they look good and give that artistic touch. But you can cut them as per your choice. Okay, there is a quick tip. Soak the cauliflower in turmeric water for 5 to 10 minutes to remove any insects or impurities if it would be there. Now gather these ingredients: frozen or fresh peas, 1 small onion chopped, ginger, garlic and fresh red or green chilies, 1 tomato and some chopped beetroot cubes. Now let's fry the gobi. First, heat mustard oil in a pan. You can use other oils, but I personally love mustard oil. Let me know if you try something else. Add little hing for a nice aroma. Fry the gobi until it turns golden orange and slightly crispy. Now prepare the masala paste. Blend tomato, beetroot and 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder to get a rich red color. Don't worry about the beetroot, it won't change the taste. Now, ginger, garlic and fresh chilies into a paste. The aroma is just amazing. Trust me. It is done, keep it aside. Now we have to make the spice mix. 2 tablespoons of fennel seeds, 2 tablespoons of cumin seeds, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 2 tablespoons of coriander seeds. Wow, the aroma, it's superb. Trust me guys, when you will do also feeling the same. Masala has done. Let's shake the gobi. It turned very good color. I can see and I love this color. I can eat like this without making curry. Okay, let's mix these spices. 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of vegetable masala. One thing I just missed out, add coriander stems with onions. Heat oil in a pan for 30 seconds. Gobi's color looks really great. Okay, now add the crushed spices and cook it for a minute. Let the bubbles come out. Now add coriander and coriander stems. Cook it for a minute. Add ginger, garlic, chili paste and cook for 2 minutes. Mix all the dry spices like salt, Kashmiri chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin seed powder, sabji masala. Now add tomato puree. Cook until the oil separates. Add peas and cook for a minute. In this stage only you have to add the peas. Now add fried gobi. Mix it well. I didn't add garam masala, but if you want to add, then you can add. Okay, add coriander leaves and onions, then it's completely ready. You can take many more pictures like me. I have taken so many pictures. Fine, try by yourself. If you really like it, then hit the like button and subscribe my channel and share with your friends and relatives. Thank you so much for watching. Okay, one thing, you can serve it with rice or paratha. I love paratha, so